This is we start our process here after medical check-up that the worker needed to work over Taiwan, and then Miss Pipin is about visa process in Taiwan. Mrs. Dwi is our marketing staff to Hong Kong.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Hello,
meet you.
nice to meet you.
Can you move to the left? Okay, stop. Person take care of the
You can see more. 30%, so we just pretending you see.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I understand.
Jadi peluang kerja di Austria saat ini yang terbuka lebar adalah di bidang keperawatan. Karena di Austria saat ini sangat membutuhkan perawat di sana, sekitar hampir 80.000 yang dibutuhkan di sana kira-kira. Dikarenakan memang generasi di Austria ini sudah mulai tua, jadi yang muda-muda jarang yang mau jadi perawat, sehingga mereka membutuhkan perawat dari luar negeri seperti itu. Nah, kedatangan Mr. Peter kali ini tidak hanya memberikan peluang di bidang keperawatan, tapi juga ada di sektor hospitality seperti di perhotelan dan untuk spa terapis juga. Selain itu, dia juga akan membuka peluang next project untuk bekerja sama antar universitas di Indonesia dan Australia terkait dengan pengiriman pertukaran perawat dan juga kerjasama antar rumah sakit di Austria dan di Indonesia.
Ini baru pertama kali, Bu?
Baru pertama kali.
Di Jawa Tengah di apa?
Di Jawa Tengah baru pertama kali.
Oh, memang.
Di Indonesia beliau kemarin datang 2 bulan yang lalu mengikuti business matching yang kami hadiri juga. Kemudian tindak lanjutnya beliau datang ke sini untuk membuka peluang kerjasama dengan kami. Rencana awal dia minta kurang lebih 50 tenaga kerja untuk tahun pertama. Namun kemudian kita masih membutuhkan waktu karena yang dibutuhkan untuk Austria ini adalah bahasa Jerman. Jadi masih membutuhkan waktu untuk para perawat ini belajar bahasa Jerman itu minimal 6 bulan sampai dengan 9 bulan untuk bisa dikirim bekerja ke Austria. Untuk pelatihan bahasa Jerman coming.
Berarti perkiraan paling cepat bisa diberangkatkan kapan?
Tahun depan masih.
Tahun depan masih.
Ya. Untuk di Austria peluangnya ada di rumah sakit juga, ada di panti jompo atau di rumah sakit sebagai perawat pribadi menemani orang tua atau jompo yang dirawat di rumah sakit yang mereka tidak punya keluarga gitu di Austria. Terus kemudian juga perawat untuk di rumah atau di rumah tangga ya, tapi dia spesialisasinya merawat jompo kayak gitu atau orang sakit.
Yes, it is my first time here, my second time in Indonesia, and the second time I came here to party. And yes, I'm very happy to be here. Thank you very much also for having me, and I'm very impressed what I have seen. So you have really a very professional school covering a lot of very important and essential areas. And yes, I'm very much looking forward to cooperate with you.
What job opportunities are available in Australia for Indonesians? Austria, I'm sorry.
In Austria, there is a list of the Austrian government with 105 professions where we have a greater need for people. It ranges from nursing over electricians till masseurs. So there is a great need, but there is a certain focus on nurses at the moment because we have really a need for a great number of qualified nurses. And I hope that together with my new partner in Indonesia, we can bring qualified nurses to Austria and maybe also other professions.
Can you explain what are the benefits will the workers from Indonesia get if they come to Austria?
I think Austria is a very nice country. I'm not saying that because I'm from Austria. I think it's objectively true. I think we are a small country, but we are very nice. We are a country with lots of culture and history. I think also the framework, the legal framework for employees is very beneficial for employees because we have, first of all, 14 salaries, not only 12, we have 14. Normally employees have 5 weeks of vacation every year, and the vacation is, of course, paid. And I think we have also very, very competitive salaries. I have heard what is paid here in Indonesia, and I think Austria is very, very competitive on that. And I think we are also very open to people from around the world. I think Austria has a history of being a mixed society and a mixed population. And I've met here very, very nice and kind Indonesians, so I can only recommend that Indonesians come to us, and I think that will be a great fit.
And when do you plan to bring the Indonesian workers to Austria?
We are now entering into more detailed discussions how we're going to do that. We will also enter into respective agreements, so I think it's hard to say now how long it will take, but I think we have a very good understanding on a lot of topics, and I think we will start with the process as soon as possible.
Jangan lupa follow, like, dan subscribe sosial media Tribun Jateng.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.